Hey guys, what is up? It's Mike here, and today we got a little special package in the mail here. Not too sure what this is, but it could be a Spinmaster Monster Jam truck. So let's see what it is. Alright, so I'm gonna try to open this like this. I don't know if this will work. Alright, you know what? We'll put the phone down. Alright guys, so this could be basically any Spin Master truck here. I was able to get a random one. I have no idea what it could be, so this is the first time I'm seeing it. So I do not know. Alright, we got an airbag. And we have a Spin Master thing here. Alright, not bad. And the truck, what is it? Megalodon. That is weird. But alright, we'll take it. It's a free truck. And yeah, it's from Spin Master. Is this the one I don't have? I do not know. So yeah, alright, a free Megalodon. Not so bad. Alright, so back into the studio here. This is the Megalodon I currently have. And as you can tell, it does have the black Monster Jam logo. So that is this one. I already had the playset one. And the one we got today in the mail from Spin Master is currently the gray logo Megalodon. So even though it's the same truck, we actually end up getting very lucky, and we end up getting the gray version, I guess, or the gray logo version of the truck, which is really good because I could not find this truck anywhere. So here's the little gray, if you can see it in there. And here's the black version. So thank you, Spin Master, for sending me that. The truck was, I think it was a replacement truck actually. So thank you guys so much for that. This actually helps the collection here a little bit. So yeah, it took about maybe a week to get here. But once again, thank you, Spin Master, for sending that, and that's awesome to add to my collection here. So now we basically have every Megalodon besides the one from the playset, and that one is currently, I think the black logo or the gray logo. Let's see, let's take a look. We need the black logo. We have the gray logo one. So that's it for Megalodon, and yeah, so thank you, Spin Master, and I'll see you guys later.